What's going on, campers? In today's episode, I want to go over this beautiful 2010 Forest River Georgetown 378 TS. This gorgeous motorhome has 3 slides. It's a beautiful 37.5-foot motorhome, and this thing has a 4-door fridge. So let's check out this camper, and as always, let me know what you think. Okay, this Forest River weighs 19,190 pounds, comes in at 37 foot 6 inches long, 8 foot 5 inches wide, 12 foot 3 inches tall, with 65 gallons of fresh, 41 gallons of gray, and 41 gallons of black water. Let's go inside and check this baby out. First, as we notice when we walk in, that first impression is all this beautiful real wood in here. Being a 2010, it's still built well and has all those fancy upgrades in it still. Beautiful countertop, nice theater seating. Up front, we have all that overhead storage, the curtain, all the windows, the electric jacks over here with the electric controls. This exact one right here only has 73,000 miles on it. Very well maintained. Even the carpet is in good condition. All the windows and the curtains, overhead storage and lighting, 3 overhead storage compartments. This camper does come with plenty of records from the previous owners. And it was actually only a 1-owner unit. Right there is a flat screen TV for the living room. Area underneath to store our things with the electric fireplace underneath that. Now we're going into the dining room table. This table can be moved around if we want. Beautiful dining room window behind that. Extra leaves to make it bigger, and you can pull it out to get more people around it. Sorry about my tripod in the way. We do have all this storage above. Over here we have our theater seating, which they did replace with the overhead storage and mirrors. These are deep, and they don't have any of those connector walls in between, so that is one big open space with 4 different doors. Down below with the theater seating, they both come out into recliners, which I'll show you at the end. Alright, now we're going into the kitchen area over here with a nice big countertop, real countertop, nice wooden backsplash in the back. Overhead cabinets with shelves inside. Beautiful big microwave that is also a convection oven. Nice 3-burner stove with the countertop cover. That'll show you how heavy duty that countertop really is. We also have a nice big oven in here. Well, compared to the others. Right next to the oven we have some storage underneath. I'll tell you, this Class A has a whole lot of places to put things. These 3 drawers with full pullouts. Next to that, with the garbage, well, a spot for garbage and a little bit more underneath. Up here we have this beautiful sink. It's a double stainless steel sink with the sink covers. Again, the same as the countertop. Nice heavy duty sink covers. Overhead storage with shelving. Over here is showing our ducted AC. Fans. We have a couple of fans in here. I believe there's 3 fans and 2 air conditioners total. Also, one of the biggest awesome upgrades about this is the 4-door fridge with the water dispenser. A lot of people love these 4-door fridges.
Next to that's going to be our pull-out pantry. Then we're going into our bathroom area with another fan, a window, overhead storage, and I love this. It's got a nice little under storage. Over here into the nice shower enclosure with the glass doors and the skylight. This also has a spot where you can close the bathroom door, so you can make this all one open bathroom, and showing you that little storage underneath. I love that. Now, one of my favorite features, or the favorite feature, is the sink. I love that fishbowl sink. It's one of my favorite features on this camper. Showing some lighting. Medicine cabinet with storage. Towel bars. Real door going into the master bed in the back. With a queen size bed, walk around bed, overhead storage. Air conditioner in the rear right in our bedroom with the vents for the heat down below. Deep storage above the bed, storage underneath the bed, and all storage at the end of the bed. Right here is a big closet with a washer and dryer hookup. Down below with our drawer with a few extras. Fuse box and breaker box down below that with some drawers. His and her closets, both with wardrobe bars. TV for the bedroom. Climate control and AC back here. Storage above her wardrobe that goes behind the TV. And storage below his wardrobe that goes underneath. Bunch of storage, bunch of doors, bunch of drawers, lots of mirrors. Really helps out this 2010. Back here is going to be our exit escape window. Now, let's walk outside and check out the exterior. Open up the basement doors. Right here is going to be our battery disconnect switch and our light switches. Awning and just a light to see when we come in. Carbon monoxide detector, fire extinguisher, place to hold our keys and hang our keys from. Furnace and a mirror. Nice, beautiful entry door handle and exit door handle. Right there's a fridge access, furnace exhaust, some outside storage. That is passed through on this one. Goes all the way across. Alright, now we're going down to the tires. These come with a 245/75 R22.5. So basically just like a smaller tractor trailer tire. And over here's the water heater. Nice big awning up top with a slide topper that goes over the slide. Underneath we have our electric leveling jacks that are all the way around. We have 4, one at each corner. Storage in the back. More storage in the rear. This thing tows 5,000 pounds. Has a ladder to get right up top to the roof. Let's go up there and check that thing out. This camper was well maintained. So they went through and took care of all the roof and make sure all the seals We're all solid. Has 2 air conditioners, 3 different vents, and a couple antennas. Backup camera on it. Over here is exposing the 2 slides, the bedroom slide and living room slide. Here's a few components where they're plugged into the generator and the other part of your pass-through storage in the back. That's going to be your generator. This comes with an Onan 5500. Here's going to be your dump station and external water with your outside shower. Over here's all your dump station supplies and hoses. Propane connection down here and propane. More storage. More storage. That one's connected to the last storage compartment we saw. This one goes all the way through and across. All storage, and that one goes all the way through and across. This is built by Forest River. It's a Georgetown 378 TS on a Ford V10 Triton chassis.
Alright, these are recliners. Let me just show you how these pop open. Right over on the side. Oh, and they are great. I'll show you how they close later. Alright, we've hit the end of the video. What do you think of this beautiful 37-foot coach? I love that living room. I love the fireplace and just the amount of room and storage that we have in here. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. I have weekly uploads and we have fun doing this, so thanks for watching everyone. See you next week.